Good morning, lady. I'm new here in this neighborhood. Nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you, sir. My name is Anna. I want to welcome you on behalf of all of us. My pleasure, Anna. My name is Kenny. I see you're not wearing your mask. Oh, we don't use a mask here anymore since the town is very safety. When did you arrive? Oh, I see. I've just arrived some hours ago. Well, I wear this mask every day. You don't have to wear that anymore. We have a very safety environment here in this town. Thank you, but I prefer to keep it if this doesn't bother you, of course. Is that okay? Oh, that's okay, Kenny. So, what do you do for a living? Are you a doctor or a nurse? Oh, you mean because of my suit? No, I'm not a doctor. I'm an oculist. Oh, an eye doctor. That's very interesting. We don't have an eye doctor in this town. Well, I have my office near here. You can come someday and I can check your eyes. That sounds good since I was having some problems with my eyes recently. By the way, what do you do for a living? May I ask you more personal questions? Of course, we are neighbors now, so I think we have to know each other more. That's correct. We never know who our neighbor can be, so it is good to know each other. Well, I am a manager in a high restaurant. It is near the bank. Do you know that? Yeah, I've seen the bank and also that restaurant when I was coming with the taxi. Yeah, it is a good restaurant. You can come and eat something sometime in the future. Absolutely, I will go. What time do you usually go to work? Do you go by bus? Oh, we don't have buses here, Kenny. We drive our own car and we call a taxi when we need to. I see. I don't have a car for the moment. A mechanic is repairing my car now. Well, I often leave my home to work at 8 in the morning. I can take you to your office. Oh, that will be amazing. You're so kind. I'm so lucky to have you as my neighbor. Oh, don't say that. You make me blush, Kenny. You look like a good person. Well, you have to find out if it's true or not. But if you need anything, I'm here to help you. It's very kind of you. By the way, I know it can be a little inappropriate, but are you married? Actually, I am married, but I don't live with my wife. She's usually in other country. Men always say that. I mean, I'm sorry. It was so inappropriate of me. I'm really sorry. No, that's okay. I forgot to mention that we don't live together because we are separated. Oh, you mean you're going to get divorced in the future? I'm sorry again for asking that. That's okay. And yeah, we're getting divorced now, in fact. And you, are you married? No, I'm not married. I was dating somebody, but things don't go well sometimes, you see? I totally understand. You don't have to tell me everything about your life if you don't want. No, that's okay. Remember, we have to know our neighbors very well. Yeah, well, I think you're right. And what do you like to do in your free time? Well, I like to go to the movies, watch series on TV, or go camping with my friends. Seriously, I love going camping too, but I don't usually go, although I love to. Why is that? Maybe you don't have much time to go because of your work. No, it's just that I'm new here and I don't know any good place to go camping, you see? Oh, you're right. Well, you can come camping with us. We usually go on Sundays. Really? Awesome. I don't work on Sundays, so we can go there. Can I take my child with me? I didn't know you had a child. I love children. How old is he? What's his name? Yeah, he's in my home now. His name is Brian, and he's 10 years old. He's a good boy.